And good morning to all. SpiceJet is in big news, and I'm holding this uh, stock. Uh, and let's see what the news is about. It has DGCA places SpiceJet under enhanced surveillance. So, so will it affect the news? I mean, will the news affect the stock? Is something which we need to see. However, of course, yes, our entry point is at around 40 the 48 levels. This is our entry levels. So I'm not much worried. And we're also looking at trading in this. These are all our trading picks, not our investment stocks. So please do not get confused uh, with my views or and so I'm also looking at Rajesh Exports, which is currently at 295. Earlier we picked it around 300 levels and 320 levels, and then we exited uh, at break even because it was not convincing upside. So we're now currently watching this. We are expecting this to come around 250 levels and maybe 280. Then we would probably pick and trade within this range. So between 260 to 320, 330, we may look for trading this stock. So why I'm talking about this is how to pick the stocks, how to trade, how to which to invest is something which we need to understand. Trading is something, investing is different, right? What is trading? What is investing? Please do comment and share your views. My question to you all again is what, sorry, what is trading and what is investing? The question is very easy, very simple, very clear. Let us understand from you what is the difference and what is trading, what is investing, how do we pick the it could be anything, it could be anything. So we so having said that, these are our intraday picks for FNO, uh, BHEL, Emphasis, Coforge, Tata, Torrent Pharma, IndusInd Bank, LTIM, Cipla, GNFC, Auto Pharma, Ramco Cement, Bank of Baroda, Infosys. So these are just my intraday picks. Please understand, these are my intraday FNO picks. Okay. Having said that, let's look at what are we expecting in the market. Yesterday was a high volatile day. It was the expiry, and Nifty, gave huge crazy moves. And I'm sure many of you made good profit. Look at the way the Nifty traded. We had already had our levels, and it is traded within this range. I mean, forget about the range. Just look at the way the moves were. It went up. We picked I think 2500 put here at 38 or 33, and then it went down to 80 levels or something. So again, there was a big move. So we were able to capture almost good moves, and most of our group members were making great profit. Well, let's look at what are the stock picks yesterday. We had I think PFC. We picked Jindal Steel, REC, uh, Sun TV, and all that. We are also looking at this. Look at this swing picks. We are also looking at UBL, Titan, Godrej Properties, TVS Motors, uh, Titan, ABB, ACC. So these are all. Let me just put it for you on the chart. So I'm looking at these stocks. It is, uh, in fact, what you can say is it is beaten very badly. ABB also, I think, is quite hit badly. Titan, I'm looking at. I'm looking at LT. So all good stocks. Bank of Baroda, BNKB, Bank of Baroda. So all the stocks we're looking at short-term picks for 5%, 10, sorry, 15, 20% gains. So you can say it as swing picks. Is in the language of swing traders. Bank of Bank Nifty yesterday was relatively, quiet and just trading around this range. Did not give any big moves. So what is that we can expect today on Sensex? If you have any clue, please do let us know. Because my view is it might be a little dull day. If I look at the chart, it has been definitely trending upside, slowly, been moving up in this within this range. So can it again trade in the same range or make a big move? What I can observe as per the chart is the opening initially for the probably the first 15 minutes, 1 hour, the market, the prices may move a little here to kill the premium. Okay, uh, and if of course the market is definitely bullish, uh, price may move within this range. It may open slightly. If it opens gap up, then it is going to be definitely I will look to go short. And if it opens gap down, I'm not saying I'm going to go long, but yes, I will wait and watch whether it moves move down or you know based on price action I'll decide. However, my gut feel is that it will move in a range for some time and then start moving up. Okay, so this is my view on Sensex. And what's your view for HDFC? Okay, I'm posing this question because this is a very lot of investment has gone into this stock. A lot of big players are holding this stock. Uh, will this stock trade move down in like this, or it will break out and move up? If you look at the pattern, it even looks like a flag pattern here if I take this into consideration. But I can draw it the other way around. It also was an inverted flag, did not move down. So sometimes you cannot purely go by the chart patterns, but having said that, there are other various factors we need to look at. So I would love to hear from you whether you expect this to move down or move up. What is that it looks like for this stock? Okay. Uh, definitely share my views about this stock in my upcoming video, which will be tomorrow or in this weekend, where I will talk more deep about the stocks. Uh, Reliance has some news, and if this is the it has definitely given the breakout here, so possibly we may see 3,200 levels. So in the coming few weeks or so. But as I had drawn earlier, I think it has moved up like this. It has retested here, of course, and moved up yesterday. Whether it will open another gap up or retest this level and trade is what the operators will decide. Uh, we're also looking at TCS. We are also looking at um, Adani Power, which has been beaten very badly for a couple of days. I think of course, I can't say it is beaten badly when the returns has been from 130 within a year span. It has moved almost. Okay, let's look at how much it has moved. From 140, it has gone to 850. So, do I say it is beaten badly or beaten badly or retracing for whatever reasons? And but yeah, I generally don't trade this stock because I feel it is highly overvalued and slightly risky as well because it's always mostly in the news for various reasons. Uh, so coming month or so, I will be doing a training session. If you're interested, please type yes in the comment box. The training would be how do we identify swing stocks or pick stocks for swing trading. How do we trade with conviction during news? Now I mentioned SpiceJet is under scanner. However, I'm planning to add more when it dips. So why is that conviction coming from? Where is the conviction coming from? Likewise, when Jubilant Food was having negative news, people are saying it will go to 400. I bought the stock and I told my subscriber to buy and it went to 580 levels. So how to identify stocks, how to trade with conviction, where to enter, where to exit is many people say it is price action. Many say it's a price action with volume. Whether all this are the right, many people say RSI is overbought, oversold. MACD is a good indicator. Accumulation is happening. Whether these tools or uh, these are good enough for us to identify and trade. And yesterday I was mentioning in the group that about 100, 1.5 or 150 lakhs uh, uh, futures were bought in Nifty. Where do we find this? What are the tools? Do we find it in TradingView? We find it in Zerodha? Or is there a different tool? How to identify, how to utilize it for our trading gains? Is all that I would be training in our sessions. Okay. Having said that, I'm sure we should have a good weekend here. I'm also looking at State Bank of India, which is also beaten quite badly. But as I have mentioned earlier, I expect this to go slightly more down. But yes, it is going to be a good pick for, and the more it dips, the more I think we should slowly, every 5% or 3% dips, we should keep adding few and then look for long-term gains, maybe 1,000 to 1,200. But yes, it will take time. It is not going to happen in a day. Uh, of course, if you ask me what's the best level to add, let's look at or people ask me how much more can we expect this to move down. I think we should look at adding this up to 700 levels uh, and then expect it to move back again to 800, 900,000 levels. And so if it moves further down, what should be, of course, what should be the stop loss? It should be 666. This would be a stop loss. And what is the more, what is the gains it has had within 2 years? I think it's phenomenal. We're also looking at Tata Motors because Tata Motors, I think yesterday was a great move. Uh, of course, it has given a breakout. I think most of the things I have spoken earlier and maybe drawn on the charts. So, based on the chart patterns, it has given a good movement. Uh, I'm also looking at Wipro from quite some time. This is looking good as it looks like a maybe a cup and a cup or double bottom here. So hopefully this should give good returns. Yesterday somebody was asking, sir, I bought it around 520. Should I wait? I was mentioning you should please wait. Now maybe we can expect a good positive move here in this stock. A lot of people are expecting a big bubble, but yes, I wouldn't recommend to add huge quantities at these levels. For me, a good entry for would be sometime in December. We are also looking at adding S bank because a good downside is seen here. If you look at the stock, this is what is happening here. Definitely, it is not. It is struggling to move beyond 26, but yes, there will be a time it will move beyond that, and a lot of patience will be tested by that time. We are also looking at brigade. We added few. We have this from quite some time, uh, around 800 levels, 890 levels, I think. We booked few at 1400. We are expecting this to hit 1800 levels in a couple of months or years now. So thanks all joining in, and if you have any questions, please do put it here on the chat box. We will be glad to answer them. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care, and